Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony. Microsoft looks to increase their presence in businesses and enterprises with Microsoft 365. Let's dive in. Microsoft 365 was announced this week at their Intune conference, and this was a really interesting product announcement for me, both business side and consumer side. And first off the bat, what this product is including is Office 365, Windows 10, and enterprise mobility and security. And Microsoft is saying that this is delivering a complete, intelligent, and secure solution to empower employees. And they're saying it represents a fundamental shift in how we design, build, and go to market to address our customer needs for a modern workplace. And Microsoft has it split up into two sides. They have 365 Business, designed for medium-sized businesses up to 300 users, that integrates Office 365 Business Premium, tailored with management features in Windows 10 and with enterprise mobility and security. And then they also have the enterprise side, which is designed for large organizations. That includes Office 365 Enterprise, Windows 10 Enterprise, and Enterprise Mobility and Security. And as a consumer, this is interesting to me because if this gives the ability, and what they're kind of saying here is that there's going to be apps on all your devices, that it's there for creativity and keep you secure. So as a consumer, I am going to make sure that what's interesting, both as an employee consumer and as a of consuming this product inside the workplace, is that as I take my phone or my laptop or whatever mobility device, those apps, that data is still secure. And that's what I glean from this, is that Microsoft's trying to do, is that all the devices are secure. Correct me if I'm wrong on that side of it. I know they mentioned Windows 10 in here, but they kind of make it seem like it's all devices that are going to be secure. And that's a big benefit, because then that kind of takes the ease off of some of the employee that's going through and trying to figure out what I can and can't do all the time. And hopefully the phone or the device, tablet or laptop or whatever they're carrying with them, kind of helps guide them in that sense. And companies can then help put data in the right place, in the right security form, so that it helps out employees, because that can be a hectic thing for both employees and their employer. But then also for customers, is that hopefully that this product is able to streamline more things in the workplace, so that then when they're coming to market with something, or they're trying to market, it's being developed with all the more creativity and more flow that they have, because they're not spending time on every other interface that's getting in the way, like the app itself or the OS itself. Like, there's freedom there, and there's behind the scenes. I'm also hoping that it also helps out IT a lot, because IT can be stretched a long way, especially in small companies when there's a small IT staff, or when a larger IT staff has a ton of stuff to do, and this can be just another thing on top of that. So hopefully Microsoft has streamlined this, so that it's helping out all those areas and be able to benefit them. Because if Microsoft's benefit them, the end consumer is going to have a better product that's more refined, because they didn't spend other time on trying to get an app to open or run right, or try to figure out something in the app. They're actually spending time on creating that product, creating the information and everything else that goes along with it, so that you get a better experience. So, but to break this down a little bit, is that Microsoft 365 Business will be in public preview August 2nd of this year, and within worldwide general availability at fall 2017, and it's going to be priced at $20 per user per month. So I hope that is going to benefit those business users in that 300 or below size business, that's a cheaper cost for them with what they already have, or with their security and mobility side of it, as well as Office and Windows 10 if they're using it. And then also for enterprises, they're going to have two plans of Microsoft 365 E3 and Microsoft 365 E5. Both are going to be available August 1st. Now, I think that this is another move that Microsoft is trying to entrench themselves more into enterprises and get even more ability to that more people in those enterprises use their products. They have a lot of cool products. They have Microsoft Teams. They have the whole Office suite outside of that with Skype for Business. Works pretty well from what I've used it as in the business setting. But these are all there to help them entrench because they do have other competing customers for stuff as well in that realm. So thank you for watching Gray Overload. Thank you for taking the time to support this channel and continue to help it grow. Thanks for watching Gray Overload. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Gray Overload.